everyone, today I would like to show you the two types of magic rings that you can make for your crochet projects. The very first one is super simple. It's a magic ring with one ring. So you just grab the yarn and wrap around two fingers, you make an X, and then you just grab your hook, go under first ring, grab the second one, twist, and simply release, then yarn over and pull through the yarn on the hook. So you have the one layer magic ring, and you can use it for many projects and work with it, making it smaller and bigger. You can crochet into it and it will adjust. But there is another type that is more secured that I'm always using for any amigurumi project or any crochet bag project. So let me show you how to make a double ring amigurumi, a circle amigurumi ring. So you make all the same, an X, and then one more time you wrap. So you have double. And then instead of going just under one, you go under two, grab the third one, twist like this, just turning, and you can release. Release, and then just yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook. And now you have double, and you work all the same like with normal magic ring. You insert your hook, grab the yarn, you have two loops, yarn over, make one single crochet, all the same, second single crochet, insert, third single crochet, and as many as you are required. Then now you have to make sure that you close it properly. First, pull one ring and see which ring started to close. I noticed that this one is closing. So I'm pulling this ring and I close one ring first. And now to close this ring, I pull the tail, and you work as with normal double crochet, with normal amigurumi magic ring, sorry. And you can continue row 2, row 1, and then just weave this tail properly, and your project is maximum secured. With this same logic you can make triple magic ring, but it's not so necessary because already double is very secured. If you want, ask me in the comments below, and in my next videos I show you how to make triple magic ring. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.